In this video, I'll walk you through on how to send automatic replies to incoming emails on your Gmail. Maybe you're out of office and you want automatic reply to be sent to any person that sends you, email inside that your Gmail account. Let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. So here, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit gmail.com and log into your email address. As your email address opens, just as you can see, and you are landed on the inbox, click on the settings, which is this gear icon at the top right. You'll be provided with some options, but what you want to do is not on this list here. So click on See All Settings. On this All Settings page, scroll down on that page until you get to this section, Vacation Responder. By default, you can see Vacation Responder is off. All right, so click on this that reads Vacation Responder on. Now, type the text you want to any person that sends you email to get, all right, within a certain period of time. And here, this text reads, please, this user is on break. If it's urgent, contact so and so person. You can construct the message the way you want it, okay? Any way you want it of your choice. Then let's take a look at days. First day is going to start today, September 25, 2025. If you want a different date, click here and choose a date. Maybe you want it to start on 30th or even next month. Just scroll, okay? Click on this until you get to that particular month. Then select it, the particular date. All right? Then when you want it to end, it's optional, all right? But you can click here, check this box for it to choose a particular date. Then click inside this space here and then choose a date you want it to end. Here, October 2nd is chosen by automatically, all right? But if you want something different, maybe you want it to end tomorrow, click on 26. We are in the month of September here. All right. So set it the way you want it to be. Then inside this box that I have written some text, there are some formatting commands you can choose. Okay, maybe I want to highlight this first set of text. All right. So I'll click here and highlight it. Then after I'll click on bold. You have other commands you can apply. All right. So it says, please, the user is on break. If it's urgent, contact this person. Then once you're done with that, get to this bottom part. If you want only contacts you have on your Gmail to get this image, once they get this text, once they say in your email, you check them, you check this box. But here I don't want only the contacts I have on the Gmail. I want anybody, no matter the email address you're using. Once you send email to this, you will get this notification automatically. So once you're done with the setup, click on Save Page, Save Changes. Okay. And now these changes is sent. So anytime somebody sends email here, he or she will get this automatic reply. Then let's go. Let me compose an email from another email address and send to see if this really works. I will then type the email address of the person that will receive this email. All right, I have finished typing the email address. Then I'll give this email a subject. Then in the compose section, let me compose my email. All right, so here I'm done composing the email. Then I will tap on send. So it has been sent. Let's see if anything is going to happen here. And I just received an automatic reply from that email address, which is the Gmail email address. Then let me tap on it for it to open. It says, please, the user is on break. If it's urgent, contact this email. You see? So it works. So let's get back to the inbox that we set that automatic reply to see if there is anything there. All right, I'm back to the inbox. As you can see, this message was delivered, but that automatic reply has been sent already. So if I open it, you can see I can't reply to him because we assume that I'm out of office. I'm on a vacation. Okay. So the auto reply has done its job. Then what of a situation whereby you want to turn this off? How do you go about it? First is click on the settings as usual. Then click on see all settings. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page. When you get to this section, click on vacation responder off. Okay. So once you click on that, click on save changes. So there will be no auto reply that will be sent from this Gmail address anytime, any day until you decide to set another one. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn how to complete other tasks on Gmail. Example, snoozing. Thank you and see you some other time.